Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learned human nutrition chapter content concept. Concept of nutrition, you know nutrition is very big concept, contain 5 different phases: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. We detail discuss in previous lecture. Human digestive system, nutritional disorders, kwashiorkor and marasmus, also disorders of digestive system. Today we are going to learn some more concept include in human nutrition chapter, some disorders of digestive system. So let us start today's first concept, disorders of digestive system. You know, human digestive system is work very effectively. Human digestive system work very effectively. However, there are some things that can cause disruption. However, there are some things that cause disruption, and due to disruption of digestive system create a disorder. Such disorder called as disorders of digestive system. We detail discuss what are the different disorders of digestive system. Number one, first one is indigestion is one of the disorder of digestive system, like constipation is also one of the disorder of digestive system, like diarrhea, also jaundice and vomiting is also one of the disorder of digestive system. Here noted all these different 5 disorders of digestive system. In previous lecture we learned indigestion is one of the disorder of digestive system in detail. So today's we discuss from constipation to vomiting, all these 4 different disorders. So let us start. First disorder of digestive system in today's lecture known as constipation. What is constipation? Constipation is one of the condition, difficulty in defecation. Defecation means egestion. So difficulty in defecation or egestion and passing small quantity of hard stool, that is fecal matter, such condition called as constipation. Means it is one of the condition, difficulty of defecation or egestion, removal of waste matter. So such waste matter passing very small quantity hard stool, that is fecal matter, such condition called as constipation. Means जो पर्सन कॉन्स्टिपेशन सफर करतो त्या पर्सनला डेफिकेशन डिफिकल्टी होते. मीन्स इजेशन ऑफ वेस्ट मॅटर, रिमूव्हल ऑफ fecal matter is very difficulty and passing small quantity of hard stool. जे पास होणारं fecal matter असेल ते खूप हार्ड असतं. सो passing small quantity of hard stool and such condition, अशी जी कंडिशन असेल पर्सन सफर करतो त्या कंडिशनला म्हटलंय कॉन्स्टिपेशन. What are the causes of constipation? Constipation causes. Number one, first, affected colonic mobility. Due to affected colonic mobility, you know, colon is one of the large intestinal part. So mobility of the colon is, if affected, due to neurological dysfunction like spinal cord injury, means due to spinal cord injury colonic mobility becomes affected, and such effect is due to neurological dysfunctions, and such colonic mobility is affected cause constipation, means it is one of the cause factor of constipation is due to affected mobility. So this is the one of the causing factor of constipation. Second, if low fiber in diet, such condition is also create constipation. जर का आपल्या डाएटमध्ये फायब्रस फूड फार कमी असेल किंवा नसेलच, सो कंडिशन क्रिएट कॉन्स्टिपेशन. थर्ड causes factor known as inadequate fluid intake. आपल्या डाएटमध्ये जर फ्लुइड लाईक फूडच नसेल, सो द पर्सन cause constipation like condition, and such constipation is very difficult to defecation or egestion process. So here noted all these different causes factors of constipation. Most of time this question is noted. What are the causes factors of constipation? Affected colonic mobility due to neurological dysfunctions like spinal cord injury, low fibers in diet, inadequate fluid intake are different causes of constipation. Now we learn what are the effect of constipation. Due to constipation, some effects like difficulty in defecation may create effects like number one, abdominal, means those persons suffer constipation like condition, the effect of seen the person is abdominal pain. त्या पर्टिक्युलर पेशंटच्या ॲबडॉमन मध्ये पेन दिसून येतो, दुखावा दिसून येतो, आणि तो इफेक्ट असेल कोणाचा तर ड्यू टू कॉन्स्टिपेशन. सेकंड इफेक्ट ड्यू टू कॉन्स्टिपेशन इज डिस्टॉर्शन. व्हॉट इज डिस्टॉर्शन? डिस्टॉर्शन मीन्स अल्टरनेशन ऑफ ओरिजिनल शेप of the bowel or intestine. Such condition called as distortion. Here seen diagrammatic representation. This is the large intestinal part. Due to constipation, the person suffer difficulty of defecation, means the waste matter store in the rectum as well as large intestinal part. So this waste matter is very hard, small quantity removed from anus. So due to constipation, one of the effect is seen in the bowel, like distortion means the shape of large intestine is change in original. So this is one of the effect of constipation. And number third effect of constipation is rarely perforation is seen in bowel or large intestinal part, like ascending colon part, transverse colon part, descending colon part, or rectum and anus. Due to constipation, sometime the effect is create like perforation, means ह्या large intestinal part मध्ये होल होऊ शकतं. सो Such condition is perforation is one of the effect of constipation. Due to constipation, very hard stool is passed through colon part to rectum and remove from anus. Due to very hard stool passes through the large intestinal part, so create perforation sometime, and this is one of the effect of constipation. Up to this we detail discuss different effect of constipation. Now we learn preventive measures of constipation. कॉन्स्टिपेशन साठी प्रतिबंधात्मक उपाय काय काय असू शकतात? That is preventive measure of constipation. Number 1, daily diet contain essential fibers food or roughage or rough food, that is increase dietary fibers in a daily diet is one of the preventive measure of constipation. Second, sufficient fluid in diet is also one of the preventive measure of constipation. Exercise can help improve the condition of constipation. Here noted all these different preventive measures of constipation. Up to this we detail discuss. Constipation is one of the disorder of digestive system. In that we detail discuss what is constipation, what are the causes factor of constipation, what are the symptoms of constipation, what are the effect of constipation, what are the preventive measures of constipation. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn diarrhea is one of the disorder of digestive system. What is diarrhea? Diarrhea is also one of the disorder during the patient passes loose watery stools more than 3 times a day, leading to dehydration. Such condition called as diarrhea. Those persons suffer diarrhea. Such person means patient passes loose watery stools more than 3 times a day, leading to dehydration. Such condition called as diarrhea. जो पर्सन डायोरिया सफर करतो तो पर्सन डायोरियाचा पेशंट असतो आणि तो पर्सन लूज वाटरी स्टूल पास करतो more than 3 times a day, leading to those person becomes dehydrated because lot of water is lost in their body. So such condition called as diarrhea. Symptoms of diarrhea: passage loose watery stools. Second, show dehydration, show loose motion. Other symptoms like blood in stool is also one of the symptoms of diarrhea. Nausea means vomiting like condition suffer the diarrhea person. Number 6, bloating means gastrointestinal tract filled with air or gas. Such condition called as bloating. And sometime fever is also seen diarrhea patient. So here noted all these different symptoms are depend on cause factor. So here noted all these different symptoms of diarrhea. Now we learn what are the causes factor of diarrhea. Number 1, first causes of diarrhea are infection through food and water, means This one is one of the cause factor of diarrhea. Second cause factor of diarrhea due to disorders like number 1, ulcer. Here diagrammatic representation. This one is large intestine and this one is small intestine. Due to perforation takes place in the intestine, means such condition called as ulcer, and due to ulcer diarrhea is a create condition. So ulcer causes diarrhea. Second, colitis is also cause diarrhea. What is colitis? Inflammation of colon part of the large intestine, like this: ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. If this colon part is inflamed, sujan आली असेल colon partला, such condition is colitis, and due to colitis disorder cause diarrhea. Number 3, inflammation of intestine or irritable bowel syndrome is also cause diarrhea. Means here noted all these different causing factors of diarrhea, and these factors are create diarrhea like condition. To this we detail discuss. Diarrhea is one of the disorder of digestive system. In that we learn what is diarrhea, what are the causes factor of diarrhea. Now we detail discuss. Jaundice is one of the disorder of digestive system. Jaundice is one of the condition shows symptoms like yellowing skin, yellowing conjunctiva of eyes and whitish stool. Such condition called as jaundice. Means those persons suffer jaundice, such persons show symptoms like yellowing skin, yellowing conjunctiva of eyes, also whitish stool. Such condition are called as jaundice, and jaundice is due to abnormal bilirubin metabolism and excretion. How cause jaundice? Jaundice developed due to high level of bilirubin. Bilirubin is formed from breakdown of red blood cells, RBC breakdown to form bilirubins by liver. Such bilirubin is a waste material in the blood. Jaundice developed due to high level of bilirubin. Such bilirubin is formed from breakdown of red blood cell. You know, red blood cells contain hemoglobin. Its life is 120 day. After 120 day, liver breakdown RBC, means breakdown hemoglobin present in RBC. So due to breakdown of RBC and its hemoglobin to produce bilirubin, such bilirubin is waste material in the blood. If excessive breakdown of red blood cells leads to increased bilirubin level in the blood. If excessive breakdown of red blood cells leads to, त्याचा परिणाम होतो increase bilirubin level in the blood, and some normal amount of bilirubin is handled by liver. Means some normal amount of bilirubin are dilated by liver, but large amount of breakdown RBCs due to release or produce large amount of bilirubin. So such condition create high level of bilirubin in the blood. So higher level of bilirubin may indicate different types of liver or bile duct problems. Due to liver problem or bile duct obstruction like condition, higher level of bilirubin in the blood is seen. If high level of bilirubin present in the blood, such condition is jaundice. Causes of jaundice. What are the causes factor of jaundice? Number one, excess breakdown of RBC is one of the causes factor of jaundice. Second, if obstruction means blocking flow of bile from liver to duodenum, means blockage of bile duct. Due to this, bile is not enter into the duodenum region. So such condition is also create increased bilirubin in the blood. So this is one of the cause factor of jaundice. Number third, abnormal liver function. If liver function is not normal, that is abnormal, such condition is also create jaundice, because abnormal liver is not handle the bilirubin in the blood. So blood bilirubin level becomes increases, and due to this create jaundice. So here noted all these three different causes of jaundice. What are the symptoms of jaundice? Number one, first, yellowing of conjunctiva of eyes is one of the symptom of jaundice. Yellowing skin is one of the symptoms of jaundice, and whitish stool means fecal matter show white color. So here noted all these three different symptoms of jaundice. What are the type of bilirubin? You know, due to high level of bilirubin create jaundice. So what are the type of bilirubin? There are two types of bilirubin. Means produced bilirubin is either water soluble or fat soluble. So bilirubin may be water soluble type of bilirubin or fat soluble type of bilirubin. Fat soluble bilirubin is very dangerous or toxic to the brain cells. You know, brain cells known as neurons or nerve cells. So bilirubin is, fat soluble bilirubin is directly affected to brain cells, and due to this brain cells becomes damages like condition. So fat soluble bilirubin is more toxic to the brain cells, or brain is also. Therefore serum of bilirubin, means the blood contained bilirubin is most valuable for diagnosis of which type of bilirubin may be water soluble bilirubin or fat soluble bilirubin. You know, fat soluble bilirubin is more dangerous to brain cell. So diagnosis of bilirubin test is most important for the serum contain bilirubin. So those serum contain bilirubin, if it is fat soluble, it is more dangerous. If it is water soluble, less dangerous. So serum bilirubin is most valuable for diagnosis which type of bilirubin. treatment measure of jaundice. There are no specific treatment to jaundice. Always remember, there is no specific treatment of jaundice. Supportive care means some liver tonics, that is supportive cares. Proper rest, supportive care, proper rest are treatments given to the patient. So up to this we detail discuss. Jaundice is one of the disorder of digestive system. Jaundice is one of the condition due to increased bilirubin in the blood. Fat soluble bilirubin is more dangerous to the brain cell. So jaundice show no specific treatment. Supportive care, proper rest are the treatment given to patient only. Now we learn vomiting is also one of the disorder of digestive system. Vomiting is one of the condition. In this condition, the stomach content are thrown out of the mouth due to reverse peristaltic movement of gastric wall. See near diagrammatic representation. This is the stomach. So stomach outer layer called as gastric wall. Gastric wall contains cells are provide a reverse peristaltic movement, and due to reverse peristaltic movement the stomach content are thrown out of the mouth. means stomach मध्ये जे कंटेंट असेल ते परत माउथ कॅव्हिटी मध्ये येतं, and through mouth cavity this content is exterior from body. Such condition called as vomiting. Such vomiting is controlled by non-vital vomiting center called as medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is one of the part of brain that control vomiting. So vomiting is controlled by non-vital vomiting center called as medulla oblongata, and it is typically associated with nauseatic feeling, means vomiting like condition. So vomiting is also one of the disorder of digestive system due to a reverse peristaltic movement of gastric wall, and such condition leads to stomach content are thrown out of the mouth called as vomiting. Up to this, vomiting is one of the disorder of digestive system. Review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture some disorders of digestive system like constipation, diarrhea, jaundice and vomiting. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ question number 1. Vomiting is caused due to peristalsis, reverse epistaxis, reverse peristalsis, osmosis. Yes, the correct answer is vomiting is caused due to reverse peristalsis, means C, reverse peristalsis is correct option. What is the symptoms of diarrhea? Difficulty of defecation, marasmus, increased watery stool, diarrhea. Yes, increased watery stool is one of the symptoms of diarrhea. C, increase watery stool. Among the following, which is symptoms of constipation? Loose motion, difficulty of defecation, vomiting, yellowing of eye. Yes, the correct answer is difficulty of defecation is one of the symptoms of constipation. Fourth MCQ. In jaundice, increase in blood, HCl, bilirubin, bile, pancreatic juice. Yes, the correct answer is bilirubin, increase in the blood create jaundice. Number 5. Identify effect of constipation: abdominal pain, heartburn, rarely perforation. A and B. Yes, the correct answer is here A and C is actual noted, means abdominal pain as well as rarely perforation, means both A and C is correct option. Which type of bilirubin is toxic to brain cells? Water soluble, fat soluble, both A and B, none of these. Yes, the correct option is fat soluble bilirubin is more toxic to the brain cells, means D, fat soluble, correct option. Short answer question. Number 1. Which part of the brain controlled by vomiting? Yes, medulla oblongata is one of the brain part control vomiting. Why bilirubin increase in the blood? Due to breakdown of red blood cells, and it contain hemoglobin to produce bilirubin. Such bilirubin is increases in the blood because of abnormal function of liver or sometime obstruction of bile duct. Which are the preventive measures of constipation? Yes, constipation prevent: increase liquidous food in the diet, increase dietary fibers in the diet, so prevent constipation. What are the symptoms of jaundice? Yes, jaundice suffer person show symptoms like yellowing eye, yellowing skin and whitish stool. Such symptoms are shown in jaundice sufferer person. When stomach content are thrown out of the mouth, such condition called as, yes, vomiting. Why fat soluble bilirubin are more dangerous than the water soluble bilirubin? Because fat soluble bilirubin is directly damage to the brain cells, that is nerve cells or neuron of the brain. So fat soluble bilirubin is more dangerous than the water soluble bilirubin. Match column A with column B. In column A, disorders, in column B, causes. First disorder known as jaundice. Yes, jaundice occurs due to abnormal liver function, means one match with C. Diarrhea. Yes, diarrhea is caused due to colitis, means inflammation of colon, intestine, large intestinal part, or inflammation of intestine, means to match with D. Constipation is one of the disorder. Yes, constipation. low fiber diet. If low fiber diet cause constipation, 3 match with B. Vomiting, yes, vomiting is one of the disorder due to reverse peristaltic movement of gastric wall, means 4 match with A. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.